Hello and welcome. Now we will see how to perform sum and percentage operations in Excel. For sum, let me first delete these. Alright. Now in order to perform summation, there is a shortcut for sum which is here, which is called auto sum. So this is one method. So first let's do that. Come to the cell where you want to have sum of certain range of numbers. So we want to have sum of all this. We come here and click auto sum. Excel will automatically pick the numbers which are above the cell in which you are performing sum operation, or it will select the range which is on its left. But the first choice of Excel is the range which is on its top. So here it has already selected this range, and the range selection is the continuous cells which carries numbers. So here all these cells continuously carry number without having any interruption. You see here there is no number, so it is not selected. Now once you have done that, what we did, let me escape. What we did was we come here and hit auto sum and then hit enter. Let me show you one more thing. In case there is a number here 10 and there is one empty cell, I will delete this sum and I click auto sum. It will select only up to here because there is an interruption. Basically Excel is trying to detect a range of cells carrying numbers either on its top or on the left. I will delete this. Another way of writing a sum is you write equal to, you type sum, and you open a bracket which is right above 9, and then you select a range with your mouse or using your keyboard, and then close the bracket and hit enter. Now I'm going to use the keyboard. I will use equal to, write sum, open bracket, use the keyboard. So when you are using the keyboard, when you select the first end of the range, then you press dot and then use the keyboard to select the entire range, close the bracket and hit enter. I think the easiest way is to use the auto sum function. Now let me delete this for a while. Let's say there was a number here 30. We selected auto sum here, and because there was a blank, it did not select 30, and we want this. So what you do is you manually select the range by using the mouse this way and hit enter. In this case, it will select even number 30. So this is how you perform sum operation. Now let's look at percentage. So 10 and 2. We want to find out what percentage is 2 of 10. First, in order to do that, we have to define this particular cell with percentage format. So how to do that? As we learned in the previous session, we right click on it. We select format cell, go to the number tab. There are more options of formatting here. We will learn about it later, but you go to the number tab, select percentage, choose how many number of decimal places you want and hit OK. The other option is you will find the number formatting shortcut here right in the home tab in the middle with the number over here. The shortcuts are accounting, percentage, comma separated. Comma separated is nothing but this. When you select number, you select 2 decimal places, use comma for 1000 separator. This particular setting is given as a quick access icon using the comma sign. So we are going to use percentage. Now in order to find percentage, we use division. So we are going to do equal to 2 divided by 10 and hit enter. So 2 is 20% of 10. Another way to use percentage is calculating percentage of a certain number. So for example, let's say I want to give discount of 20% on 500. So I use 500 multiplied by 20%, and that is 100. So this is how you use percentage in 2 different ways. Alright, now one more thing I wanted to tell you is when you write a formula, the way you wrote formula here or here, it is not necessary that the summation has to appear right below the range. You can have it anywhere. For example, I want to have here, I want to write here total, and I want the total to appear here. I can select the auto sum and then select this particular range and hit enter. So practically you can have any result anywhere in Excel sheet. So this is how you use basic operations of addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, summation and percentage in Excel.